Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a search bar on a Wix website in 2024. So today we're tackling a feature that enhances the user experience and navigation on your Wix websites, which is adding a search bar in 2024. Search bar, of course, help visitors quickly find specific content or products on your site, improving usability and engagement. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of adding a search bar. So let's dive right into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you have. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Here, make sure to type wix.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page instead. Here we'll be able to click on login at the top right corner to log in into your account. You can log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple if you don't want to get through the boring steps of filling up your information. If you don't have an account, click on sign up. And you'll be able to do it again with Google or Facebook if you don't want to do all the boring steps of filling up your information alone. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here in your dashboard. So it's time to show you how to add a search bar. For me, I'll just go and click on edit one of my sites here. Of course, if you don't have any sites, you can click on create a new site and start from a studio template, start from blank Canva or use Wix editor or simply use your own template. For me, as I said, once I click on edits, I'll just go here and click on one of the random sites that I have here to show you how to add this search bar. Of course, for you, you can go and create a new one or simply do the same, edit one of your sites to add the search bar on it. So I'll just wait until this opens. And as you can see, here is it. So now, how can we add the search bar? We'll need basically to go to this list panel and simply click on this plus button on add elements. As you can see here on quick add, we have image, title, paragraph, video, container, button, shape, line, repeater, menu, gallery, video player, social bar, and frame. There's no search bar. What about assets? Nothing. Sections, as you can see, nothing. Wireframes, container, layout tools, text, buttons, and menu and search. As you can see, if we go here to search, what we will find? We'll find menus, and if we scroll down, we'll find the site search. So you'll be able to add a search bar in the search result page. So if you click here on add to sites, as you can see, add in Wix site search. So we'll have to wait a bit until it's added. It should not take a lot of time. As you can see, it's added right here at the hidden. Of course, I can change the place of it if I want to. I'll be able to make it wherever I want, but normally it's better to be in the hidden. Or if you have it as example, if you have a frequently asked page, it might be good to add it there. If you have, as example, helping page or something like that, it's good to add it there. And as you can see, you can manage the search results, as example, to add whatever you want on it. You can manage the settings of that. As example, if you click on manage settings, as you can see, it can include other pages or just the page that you are in. It can show the hidden pages or not. And this for the order, of course, to show hidden pages also. For display, of course, you'll be able to change like the placeholder text. As example, instead of search, you can let it empty or type whatever you want. You can search, show the search bar, of course, in the result page. Enable all like tab, display an additional tab with all the search results. And result found message includes number of results search, number of results or search terms. For the layout, as you can see, you'll be able to change the number of results per page or the layout of it and etc. And for the design, of course, you'll be basically to design it however you want. As you can see, basically colors, text, and etc. Background, button, color of button, and etc. And yeah, so example, let's say I'll just go here and search bar. I don't know. I'll just keep. Okay, so the search bar. Okay, I want to edit this one, not this. So it seems like it's the same thing, but it's fine. I'll just go here. And for the search results, for example, I'll just go to the button. I will make the button as example blue, or I don't know what color is that. I'll just make it blue and fill in the color with black as example, or white, or red, or green. I don't know. And of course, you'll be able to notice the changes that you make. Of course, you can change like the style or paragraph, like as example, make it as a heading like that, the font. I guess I have fonts that I already added, like, which is, yeah, this one. I uploaded it. Of course, if you want to know like how to upload the fonts, I've already made a video on how to do that. If you are interested, of course. And yeah, so it's custom. I'll make it smaller a bit and bold as an example, and this italic and even underline. Of course, for display or layouts, I'll make it like that. So search, it will show in the middle instead. And yeah, of course, you'll be able to play with any other settings that you want on that, if you want to, about the layout, about anything that you want, number of results page. And once you're done, all you need to do, save the short changes, publish it, and you will be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.